matters. For example, if I take a 10 profiles, everyone knows AWS VPC, RDS, common services AWS. Every trainer can give training in this area. But Glue ETL they miss, step functions they miss, workflows they miss, ETL, what is ETL, data extracting, data loading, something. I'm not saying you can go this level, this role. Something if you know, without saying I don't know, okay, this will be helpful to get a job easily. Otherwise, always, sir, why my profile is shortlisting? Even though why my profile, I mean, why they are not in the final round, why they are not giving, confirming my profile. I'm giving everything is good, my entry is good. Still, why they are saying get back you? These many answers, if you get from your end, your profile is very old profile. Your skills are very legacy skills kind of things. So definitely you can understand why only my profile is not shortlisting. Why only I'm not getting a job, even my entry is also good. These are the reasons. Another person maybe grab that opportunity. Clear, no? See, Palash. Sir, I get ETL questions on screening only, so it is definitely. Yeah, he's already giving interview, so he know. So that's what I'm saying. See, I can say, guys, this batch, especially what I get a feel, nothing to hide here. So you guys are started. Everything is very good. This batch is very good. First 4 months. Everyone, sir, definitely, sir, will get a job. Definitely. I don't have any option. So definitely I'll get a job. Every person, the intention, whatever it is. Hmm. So you did definitely good start, I can say. This team definitely started good. Even other teams also worried a lot by seeing your practice, even mentors also. Sir, what you are giving a training, they are doing it very best. The projects and all. You have started like that only. Okay, very good. I was impressed with your work. Okay. But you can see not only you, many persons also started like this only. Different trainer and students also. This is, you can understand, first month. Okay. First month. This is the way you started the journey. I'm really impressed. Second month also, you continued. I seen, yeah. Second month also, have given best. Especially this batch, I'm saying 10:30 batch. I'm saying I'm not talking about different batches. You did very well. Second month, same. I can see same consistency. First time I can see, I can say that same consistency. Second month, third month also. So we completed AWS here, Terraform also. I can see same interest. But third month onwards, my feeling I'm just sharing to you. I don't know what happened. Maybe you treat like you are seniors. I know everything. Then wait for 1 month. You are senior or junior, one interval decide. Fourth month, I definitely can say this is your interest. Okay. Fifth month, this is the situation. More seniors. Not this team. This team more seniors. I know everything. Sixth month. I think this month, sixth or seventh, I don't know. Sixth. This team are more senior, sixth month. I know everything. I can do anything. This team. Sixth month, This is sixth month. Hello. Actually, I'm in class. Can I give call in 1 hour? Thank you. Okay. In sixth month, this is the situation. But 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 the problem is these four members are here. Job is here, not here. Clear now? So this is the main problem. Yes, you inform to your hometown, your family members definitely will get it. Here, here, here. Okay, but problem started from here. You know, here already from this batch already more than 11 jobs already got in third month. I know, including names also. Okay, okay, it's a different story. They're experienced people. And freshers also, two members got job. Is the name? And I'm not sharing a see nowadays. I'm not sharing any screenshot. The reason they're insecure. Fanindra, something, someone is given interview to CEO. I said na name Fanindra. No, no, no. Yesterday, 2 days back, only got. This is not 10th day match. I'm very sure he got paid internship. This one, your team only na. He said here only. Huh? He got two jobs. I'm not sharing screenshots nowadays. DevOps engineer internship with full-time opportunity. Okay. Okay. Clear now? I'm talking about freshers. Experienced people also definitely I can say many people maybe due to some their their deliverables with busy with the project. If they drop, okay, at least they're taking record. Whoever experienced, definitely they're taking including recordings. They may focus later when their job is in risk. Definitely they can. But problem is with freshers and career gap students. Problem is with freshers and career gap students. Yes, experienced people already proved. They're already job is they're already earning. What happened to experienced people? What is your plan of action next? Career gap students. You decided, right? Definitely, I fill my career gap with this experience. What happened to you all? Tell me now. So, mark my words. Whoever attending each and every class till last day, definitely they will get job. Doesn't matter their career. Career gap or pressure or experience. Doesn't matter. They will get a job. Note this point. I'm very confident on this area. If you get an opportunity to give a interview, 1 or 2 interviews, if you attend every class, you will get a job first interview, second interview. This is no doubt. But if you are experienced, more experience, having a 7 years, 6 years, maybe they expect something from you, different skills. Okay, I'm not talking about here. But freshers, career gap, who are having a 4 years and all, definitely you can easily get a job. Whoever attend till last class. If you not get a job, ping me. I attended each and every class, Veera, but I'm not getting a job. Ping me. Then I will give a job. I will test first each and everything. You really attended or not? I will test your skills. Then within 1 month, I'll give a job. Clear now? Today, one person spoke to him, right? He's having one organization. He needs 6 members. So like that, I have some internal connections. So definitely, I'll give opportunity. But you should have attended all the classes. This is only skills. I don't want any skills. I don't think so. This is very difficult. 6 months. Okay, 1 hour, 2 days, 3 days, that's okay, guys. This is too much, right? 33 members. What is the strength? 200. First time narration 200. This batch only number cross. Huh? And record, both ends records also there. Day first month higher count, last month lesser count also. Two records of this batch only. Definitely. 230 members or 200, 215 registrations. Higher count this batch, at the same time lower count also this batch. Very nice. Okay. People who are really serious about software should make their own hardware. I think this team only. They need to build more own hardware. I know, guys. See, I'm not saying 6 months definitely difficult, but before thinking for 6 months, you should think you have already spent 20 to 23 years for your career, right? This is very valid time, right? So 23 years a candidate spend for their career. When the time come, if you're not serious for 6 months, then waste of this 23 years. I can say this. Clear or not? For whatever your 10th class score, uh, your parents said, right, my daughter got 590 or something. Now pattern changed, right? 10 out of 9.9, 10 out of 10. What is the use now? My son got intermediate inter secondary or BTech 99%. What is the use? Here only to prove. But when time come here, if you are not serious, whatever you got before 10th and inter, you are not giving. I can say you are not justice for that. Clear now? Understand? Now, experienced people, I can say here, experienced people are showing more interest. They know the reality in IT. But you are a freshers, right? For example, multi-cloud DevOps. Not possible now. Go for Gen AI. You may think like that. Gen AI also not possible now. Go for full stack. You are a permanent student in RSIT final. Right or not? After that, Java also not Python. See, I'm not worrying about fees here. I'm worrying about your time. After 2025 graduate, when you enter into 2026, definitely you should worry. They will not consider as a fresher. If you enter 2027, worry will increase. 2028, now which consultancy is good in Hyderabad for give a certificate, fake certificate to fill this 3 years? Again, PF issues, many issues will challenge. Right or not? See, I can say if you are a fresher, definitely compared to all, you more proactive than experienced people, career gap students. Career gap already there, gap already there, right? Something already happened in their career. Okay, maybe 4 years career gap student, maybe they can add one more year. Career gap, always career gap. It's a 4 or 5 or 6, doesn't matter. But worry is for freshers. If 1 year, if you enter 2026, I don't know how many of you worry here. I am definitely worrying here for you. How to say 2026, I'm a fresher or experienced? You two don't know, I don't know. Company will decide you are a fresher or experienced. If you enter into 2027, 2028, lot of challenges. I can say my relative, my sister, I think, my sister side relatives, I can say that. I don't know what exactly my relation to him. Brother-in-law, I think. Brother-in-law. She's requesting me from last 7 months. Can you do some favor? Can you do some favor? What I can do? If ask him to join my batch, or if he is interested for data science, ask him to data. I will refer Java. I'll refer Python. I'll refer. No, he's having 98% inter. What I can do with 98%? Can anyone give a job? Is very. She said he's having a very good knowledge. Inter, very good knowledge. 10th, very good knowledge I can understand. But this is very important. Which course, where I can push him? Java side, Python side, data science side, cloud side, DevOps side. That he should decide first, right? Then what I can do? That's what. Now he's worrying a lot. 2024 passed out now. 2026 came now. 2 years. Now 2028 will come. 3 years. Definitely, guys. If you take different training, different trainer, then you can understand. I think you are practicing in labs, right? You are seeing the difference between you and different persons who are taking already cloud and DevOps training. They don't have any cloud environment also practice. You know, mentors are saying literally the students, different students, different batch students, I can say different trainer students, they don't have cloud access. Free tires already, expired in 1.5 months after that only. How they are practicing, they too don't know, mentor don't know. Then what already they paid 25,000, 24,000. What they will do next without cloud access? So many challenge. You don't know the value, huh? You can go and take a different skill set. At least I definitely can say here are 200, 230 members are there. And definitely 40 members already. They may thought many things. I can take train in data science or AI. You can go and take. You can understand in 1 month only the difference here and there. Even trainers also not there in Telegram group. You don't you know that Telegram. I'm only here. Other trainers not there in the Telegram groups. You can understand. Not now. If you stay in hostel only, you come to know the value of home food, right? Right or not? If you go and take different training only, different trainers, you can understand the value of here also. Same. First 2, 3 days, everything is good only. Later, you can understand. Okay, let's get started. I bet here 99% or 90% GCP accounts not created. You guys are. I know that. I bet 90%. I'm bet ready. Can I prove now? Prove now? I know. I bet Azure accounts also 90% people not created. They're attending sessions, they're doing their job. I know, I know. I can easily say by seeing your group whether you are practicing or not. Only very less people. I can count also who are practicing Azure and GCP. So market is not good that much, I can say. So please practice now. Then no, Avinash, I know that. 90%. Okay, sorry. No, what I'm saying na, first month we don't have chairs also here to accommodate to students. So the strength is more than 70, 80 also, right? In offline. But no offline strength is closely 15 members. Remaining chairs are seeing my faces on. Where are them? Where are they? I do don't know. Online. So online also number 35 only na. Online is not there. Offline is not there. Then where? Maybe 10% got a job. What about others? Huh? Okay. Now, main thing. Let me. Now, over to you guys. How many out of 24, how many projects we discuss? Similar or same? Similar or same? Sir, as it is, your point is not then project. I'm not explaining as it is same point. Concept. Let me, I'll share with you also. I know maybe most of you are in that list also miss. Let me share. I will go through here. Huh. I'm sharing into. So I have shared, guys. Take your 10 minutes of time in Telegram group. Just give a number. How many projects we completed and how many yet to complete. As I said, 75% I will take, 25% you need to take. Include it. How many projects trainer completed, how many projects you completed. Also, I want. Just I have shared into Telegram group. Take 10 minutes of time, no problem. So tell me the count. I will not ask any questions also. Include workshops also. Okay, Nisha, no problem. If you are having any challenge, just ping me. We can discuss one to one your challenge, what challenges you are facing. So you have a time to mostly sir ADO GCP are in. Okay. Oh, nice, nice, Nisha Kumar. If you require any help, let me know. I will help you. So Palash, mostly GCP Azure only remaining all. Hmm? Out of 24, how many projects completed? So one response is 21 projects completed by me. Okay, what about others? So as I said in demos, I clearly remember 75% I will take care, but 21 projects I discuss, I know, including workshops. You need to focus just 25%. That 25% also, after done Azure and GCP, just deploy same application in Azure GCP. Otherwise, as already taken 21, I don't have any problem to take that 4 also. So Avinash is saying 23. Okay. Azure DevOps. Hmm. Apache Tomcat inbuilt features, Spring Boot. We no need to create separately. Java project we have taken, na, automatic Tomcat is there in that. Understand? Before actually Tomcat separately we need to build. Now Tomcat no need to take separately. We are coming same feature, inbuilt feature, Spring Boot along with the Tomcat. Actually, before I have taken Tomcat separately one day, but at that time Java version, previous versions, Tomcat is not coming by default for the Spring Boot. Now we included Tomcat. We no need to do anything separate. Azure DevOps, I will take again one more 2-3 sessions. I'm planning actually next AWS Glue ETL. After that Azure DevOps only again. Actually, Azure DevOps I have taken 2 classes. I think 2 workshops. One session is missing there and only. It's not recorded actually. That's what I'll plan again Azure DevOps soon. Next 2 weeks Azure DevOps I will start. Can attend 2-3 classes. Anyway, the number is definitely 20, except Azure GCP all done. Okay. Yeah. Azure GCP, why can't you start? You know how to get load balancer now. You know how to get database, auto scaling group, servers, networking. Then try to deploy. We will help you, right? You're stuck anywhere. So take 3 servers. Same process. Ubuntu, if you can take, the commands will change only. APT commands will come. That's it. I'll share the document also. Required, you can start. You can go through the document. Or you can also do just installation commands only change. Even if you want YAML, you can take CentOS also. Uh, OS instead of Ubuntu in Azure GCP also. So guys, please, you can check. I'm done. If you feel I'm done, you can go through these projects. After that only you can feel I'm done. If something is pending, then explore again. So your guide is this 24 projects. Even additional also I covered. I haven't added MLOps is not there here. I covered. AOps, observability stack end-to-end we discussed. It's not there here. Yesterday ETL it's not there here. New things will come also will be added. Okay. So the main intention, these additional projects I'm taking workshops will get recording option also. Both three. Sir, I'm attending interest, but my challenge is no expense. No worries, no worries, Avinash. You can give it try. Definitely will get it. Or something, if you need any support, call me. I will guide you where you lag and something. Okay, clear? Let's go to sandbox. Okay, no. So guys, pending concepts are what? Azure Lambda function, Azure functions, Azure App Service, Azure IAM. For Azure point of view, Azure DevOps I will take in a workshops. GCP IAM, GCP storage, GCP storage I think I discussed it right last class. Okay, GCP IAM, GCP functions, GKE cluster. Okay, let's try to build a GKE cluster. Time is there. Okay, this account recently deleted. Okay, refresh. GCP CLI also there. I forget. GCP CLI, GCP Terraform. Okay, let me discuss GCP CLI Terraform. Cluster it will take time. We have only half an hour time. So tomorrow we can discuss cluster. So that it will take 1.5 hour time. Direct GCP cluster. Hmm. GCP logs also I'll discuss. GCP. Mhm. Okay, let's go. Let's follow this. G Cloud CLI. First you have to install Google Cloud CLI. Same like Azure CLI, AWS CLI. So you have to, after that you can run this gcloud init command. So, but it will take time, guys. Google Cloud CLI installation, it will take much time. Mine is there. You can use this command better. GCL, where I have added this, where I have medium block. Azure end-to-end process also there. Think it's name of GCP. Um, Okay, anyway, let me install the CLI first. Yeah, I'll share Avinash. Okay, let me Google Cloud Plan CLI. Okay, let's take GPTL installation process. So Google Cloud, you can run this command easily. You can winget command. So you can click on it. It will install, or we can go for okay, give winget command better. Okay, so you can run this command. Okay, already installed mine. So check version, gcloud version. So already Google Cloud is there, mine. So now you can run init command. So now you can see same like a Azure process. Pick configuration to use. Ginit, AWS configure command is there. No? Same. Gcloud init means configuring the keys, configuring the process. Here, reinitializing this configuration, Naresh it GCP with new settings, create new configurations, create new configuration. So the already my old configurations are there, old account. So that will be override. Click on to create new configuration. Name start with lowercase letter. Paste. So now you can see three accounts I can see. One, two, three already stored in my dot GCP folder. And I don't want this. I want to create a new one. Then you can check even login account is what here. So you can see 4C70. Is there anything is there? 4C70, nothing is there. So it's new configuration. Give 4. Sign in with new Google account. Give 4. So it is redirecting into here. So again, you can check one more time. This is the one or not 31BB, not that one. So use another account. Authentication. Give email, which email? This one. And the password. So I understand now. Understand. Continue. Hello. Authenticated with Google Cloud CLI. That's it. Now you can go and check. Wait for some time. Sorry. Authenticated with Google Cloud CLI. Still, why it is? Okay, okay. Enter project ID. Sorry. Now, okay, you have already authenticated. It is asking custom image. I can see your images are these two. And playground, enter project ID, create a new project. So definitely in Google Cloud, we everything all about projects, right? If you want to get a new project, you can create. Otherwise, I can select existing project. So mine is I haven't logged in now. Okay, this will close. Okay, let me log in directly. Give email ID. OC7D. Correct only. So take a password. Just to take a project to check the project verification. The project name is same or not. If it is not, we can playground. So playground S11CC something is there, right? So this is correct only. So third one only the correct. Okay, three. Or you can get a new project. So do you want configure default compute regional zone? You can compute. You can configure US East one or Central one, whatever default. Same like AWS. If it is no, then you need to mention everywhere in your CLI commands. If you want to run any CLI command, region is mandatory in that command. Then, so now you can run Google Cloud commands. Google Cloud info, new G Cloud projects list you can run. Yeah, I can see these many projects, and you can create something, some resources, storage account you can create. If something, if you want to create, you can create also. Give commands, create VPC, subnets. So yeah, if you want to create a VPC, you can create this VPC. VPC name is like so custom equal to CIDR range. So this is a subnet you can create. Clear now? So this is a command to create VPC plus subnet also. Or you can create you for example US Central I want to create. You can create this one. But before that you should create a VPC. If you want to create a subnet. If I run this for example. This won't work like this. So take single line command. Windows it won't take. So yeah. So if you create first this one, it will select custom subnet mode. Otherwise, subnets default will create right inside the VPC. I don't want to create. I want to create a VPC, and subnet option is custom. If you not select custom, VPC plus all region inside subnets will create. That's what the problem. Again, problem see here. So firewall rules create. You have to create a firewall rules also. So let me Instance, where is the command? Okay, created my VPC. Okay, VPC created already. So instance on the network will not be reachable until firewall rule. So if you want to create a firewall also, so it's giving us some suggestions. This is a process to create a firewall. For example, here you can give my security or something. So I'm creating a firewall. So this firewall creating inside this VPC by allowing 22.338.9 ICMP. Like this creating a firewall. So firewall also created. Now you can create a subnet. So I'm creating a subnet. Subnet definitely CID and you have to define, right? So here you can see, yeah, this is different region. You can create anywhere. But VPC is global, right? So we no need to worry. Create subnet US East 1 network is my VPC. Insert US East 1. If plural site is support US East 1, it will create. Otherwise, it will create this region. So done subnet also created. Check. See here. So my VPC created. Subnet action is custom. I can see subnets also. Clear now? You can see firewall also created. You can go to check firewall. So firewall custom I have given. Firewall is created. Clear now? So like this, we can practice CLI. Practice. So I'm just giving a today one task to you. Configure metrics and logs. See, Grafana Prometheus is here also same story, no difference. We are taking a third-party tools. Grafana, Prometheus, Kibana, these are third-party tools, right? So same process. But if you can take a GCP monitoring, little bit process will be changed. That too, there we are installing AWS CloudWatch inside. We are installing AWS CloudWatch agent. Here GCP agent. That's it. No difference. So I have shared GCP how to configure logs metrics, GCP metrics. So here if you can see observability is there on GCP. This one. So how to configure our logs and monitoring. I have shared the document. You just go through the document and let me know tomorrow. Metrics Explorer and all. Okay. So the document which I have shared, let me go through it also. So create Ubuntu server. So curl. See, this is what GCP OPS agent. Their cloud agent. Here GCP agent. This agent you need to be installed into which server logs you want. Just two commands. And after that is what? Which path files I want to log. JSON, which path where log insert. Same JSON file. where you CloudWatch logs we have configured the same JSON file. After that, I'm testing installing Apache 2, so these logs will be updating or not to check it on. Check the status. Now go to observability, click on the logs. You can see Apache logs here. I have installed Apache. Just 4 commands you need to execute on. If you want metrics also, you can add the JSON. So, okay, explore this today and let me know. If you are unable to complete, I will discuss in tomorrow class. So different dashboard, different. And guys, from important thing I can say, we have a 10-15 minutes of time. Every day, spend some time to understand JDs. This is important, very job descriptions. So that you can understand where you weak by seeing some job descriptions, what exactly companies are looking, will learn or anything additionally required so that you can understand. For example, if you already prepared resume, I don't know how many of you done your resume part also. Only 2 persons only uh, reach out to me to show the resumes and all. I already given my inputs also. I don't know about others. So still, if something you want to check with me for the resume part, please come and do it ASAP. Otherwise, after completing course, maybe you may face some challenges. I mean, I'm not saying indirectly I'm not available. I will available only, but it's not good after complete course. After 1 month, if you start resume preparation, it's not good. You forget everything. So, for example, AWS DevOps or multi-cloud DevOps or whatever, you can open like this in Hyderabad location. For example, you can take this company. So read just first this job description so that you can understand what services they're asking. So this NAT gateway, auto scaling, Kubernetes, EKS, some LLM, something they're asking, VPC. Okay, I'll learn these things. I'll learn minimum 60% JD should match with your skill set. 60%. Understand? Minimum. So if 60% skills are matched with the JD, you are eligible to apply. 50 also okay. 60, I can say strong. You can strong. Next, AWS Azure DevOps Engineer. So again, you can see AWS Azure deployment tool like a Glue. See, yesterday discussed or not? Glue, Data Factory. Okay, at least Azure is Data Factory, AWS is Glue. At least we learn here now. Okay, that's they will consider. Lambda we know. APIs, yeah, SDK process means what Python board 3 already we discussed at API that one. Design integrated SDK element with Lambda. Yes, Lambda is valid script integrated and all run. CI/CD pipelines. So AWS Azure DevOps capabilities. AWS Azure subscriptions. CI/CD pipelines, Python. Like this, you can have a look so that you are always up to date with the market. So TCS, DevOps engineers, Kubernetes, 6 to 10 years. Let's read here. LM charts, okay, we discuss. Namespaces concept discuss. Pods, stateful set also discuss. Replicas are discuss. Helm discuss. Scaling high availability already discuss. Helm discuss. Kubernetes environment discuss. Next, good to have a Rancher expert. Rancher is what here? Is a tool to integrate multiple clusters. I'll take workshop if required. Rancher also. Good to have. Okay, I'll note it. See mail ID also there. You can apply send. So what I'm trying to say, every day if you explore the things, you will get it. Okay, some phone numbers also you will get it. Directly you can call, send an email. Everyone they what they will feel by seeing these. Okay, maybe many people will send already. Better to not to send from my end also. Don't think like that. Everyone will feel like that. No one can send resume. Understand? If you can see, make it ready one template, your resume, one final copy, one working copy. Final copy directly sent to, if any email you can see, don't take again much time, 1 day to update your resume. Working copy, final copy. Working copy, always edit your resume based on the JD. Now this JD is what? Jenkins, Kubernetes. So you can add more Kubernetes points, Jenkins. Resume always not fix. Based on the JD, you have to change. So why I'm saying now, guys, now you can see whatever Gokula Saikil, whatever Aikil is there. Na? He may be technical background, he may not technical background. So MNC companies, TA team is there separately, talent acquisition team. They will only search the profiles and hand out to internal team, right? They don't know a person having a DevOps knowledge. Definitely they should have these many knowledge and all. They can check JD with your resume. Okay, how many are matching? Then they can give him merit. They can give a short list of your profile for interview. So always your resume should match with JD minimum 60%. If not, you can edit and send it. Now you know these many services, Kubernetes, right? Then you can edit, add more Kubernetes stuff. So you don't have time to edit resume. Go to ChatGPT. So this is the JD. This is my resume. Can you modify accordingly? It will modify and give. But don't blindly send. After modification, check 5 to 10 minutes. These services are you know or not. Then if you don't know, remove it. Understand? And if I say remove completely, if you remove, again JD will not match. Something should match minimum 60%. Clear now? This is a better practice to quickly get a job. So every day, whether you already, I see, already you learn many things, whether you practice or not, upcoming topics are your wish. Or leave it also, I don't have any problem. But whatever you learn, at least you can update in your resume. You can try DevOps engineer 6 to 10 years. This is done. Luxsoft. This company name also wrong. It's a Luxsoft, right? Luxsoft. I don't know. Is it a Luxsoft company? There. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wrong name they have given here. Okay. So again, click on it here. That's what here logo is not coming. Now you can see 7 years experience as a AWS DevOps engineer with technical expertise, build and release management. You can check GitLab, GitHub Actions. Okay, we already learned. Route 53. DR means what? No, no, no. DR means disaster recovery. Active passive means what? Active region. If active fail, next region, right? DR. Next monitoring tools what? Kibana, Datadog, Dynatraces. So Kibana already will discuss EFK time, right? Elasticsearch, FluentBit, and Kibana. One tool is fine if it match. Otherwise, if different tools also see or any similar tool, clear na? Any tool, CloudWatch, Splunk, Grafana Loki. Grafana Loki also will fetch the logs, right? Grafana by default fetch the metrics. If integrate Loki, it will fetch logs also. Any one tool, monitoring tool. That's it. Next, a strong communication, AWS hands and 5+ years of work experience. Now you can see ECS forget mandatory. Discussed or not? Yes. So I can say definitely here my skills, what I discussed here, any job if you open, definitely 90% we learn already. Still, I'm giving option at least 60%. Now I'm taking TCS, AWS DevOps with Terraform. See, now AWS DevOps with Terraform. Your resume should be match more Terraform concepts, right? Then working copy, open your working copy and upload your resume to ChatGPT. Give more points Terraform accordingly. It will give more points. Otherwise, if you have a time, you can one by one, you can edit. Clear now? And careful copy paste time. All options are same or not. I mean, your details are same or not. ChatGPT change your mobile number maybe. Simply if you upload, you will not get any call. Phone number, email ID, and copy paste time. If you are copying also prompt also careful. Okay, prompt whatever you search, something is required. If anything is required, this one also copy paste na. The resume also anything is required, it will ask. Okay, so take care. So automation is there. Simply don't blind on it. Verify and send it. Okay. Now you can see full description. So what they're asking, see glue. What they put heading here, AWS DevOps with Terraform, but they're asking glue also. Understand now? That's what I'm saying. If you feel I know everything, no need to learn glue, you may stuck here. Now, Example, 10 profiles. I'll tell you one thing. You can upload job with Glue Experience, Terraform, and whatever we learn. You will definitely get a call. Your profile definitely shortlist, no doubt. Glue expertise very less in the market. With the combination of Terraform. Data engineers are there now. They don't know Terraform. They don't know cloud. They're always focusing on data wrangling, data merging, data cleansing, this area only. They don't know cloud knowledge. So they are looking now and understand they are looking cloud knowledge only again. They're focusing AWS Glue only. They are not asking PySpark here. Understand? So, sir, you said AWS Glue, PySpark, but they are not asking. They're looking only AWS side. Yesterday, I clearly mentioned right here. You can see. Maybe it's removed. Oh, it's a restarted. Saved or not that copy? Okay, I don't know. So that's what I'm saying here. So they may ask here, they may ask a Docker, Kubernetes, and different skills also. Whoever resume meets the job description 95%, most will get a job. Most will get a job. Okay. Next. Uh, uh, that's true only, right? Everywhere. That's true. He is not experienced, right? From your batch, who got a job, 2 jobs. His experience, huh? Then how he got a job? How he got a job? Huh? See, understand. I can agree with your point. Definitely, I can agree with your point. Freshers, you will find a job. Experience, you no need to find a job. You will get a calls. But fresher, every day, that's what every day open job portals, updates continuously your resumes. Do 2 months minimum. Definitely you'll get a call. Many calls. But if you sit ideally, sir, I have already updated my resume on LinkedIn. After I'm not getting calls, no one can call in freshers. Less, very less calls. Every day, apply the jobs. Open Google. Here also can check jobs, freshers. Open here. So ask any freshers. You can try. Maybe they may ask experience. You can try any freshers. So like this, you have to check it on junior DevOps engineer. Maybe they can definitely consider it. So he's not asking any experience. So like this, you can upload junior DevOps engineer, walk in fresher software IT. Hmm. Okay, you can check which company it is. Open this company, go to portal, their company portal, update your CV. I have shared right Virtuoso. There is a walk-in. How many of you attended? Okay, experience. How many of you attended here? No. I have to say. Huh? I have to say. That's okay. I'm talking about experience people online. Seriously? Online. How many of you attended? I think no one. Huh? Nisha Kumari, you no need to share your resume. You can send it to me. Otherwise, someone can download simply rename Nisha Kumari, add my name. Full automation ChatGPT. So the job is easy. Better send it to me one-to-one resumes. Okay. So every day start your practice. Okay, stop learning also I don't have any problem. Whatever you learn is enough, more than enough. Again, GCP function, no one will ask. GCP Lambda, no one will ask. Is okay, but learn. So every day, like me, how I'm checking here, understand JDs, update profiles. If a resume is constant, resume is static, job market also static. Understand? The resume always dynamic. JD to JD change. So guys, so you have to maintain 2 copies, working copy and final copy. Final copy general. If job description is asking all tools, DevOps, AWS, something about all, upload directly. If something they're asking more about some specific tool, must have a CACD. So CACD thinks more in that JD. Then you can add CACD points more in your resume. Clear now what I'm trying to say? So do it please from today onwards. Mock entry platform, you guys are not utilizing also. So, okay, I'll share the mock entry platform. It's running already backend. So you can use every day, you can use Terraform. See, you should have also practice with mock entry platform. You are giving answers, for example, if you say answer one word, and second, also you are continue the answer. You are giving a gap, what AI can understand, you are done, it will ask second question. That practice also required. Sir, my and AI is stuck, sir. My and AI continuously speaking, sir. Practice required. You and AI coordination is required. If you say one word answer and again next wait, I'll tell you answer. Wait, I'll tell you answer. AI can understand. He says something. Maybe next question. It will ask next question. No, AI will please hold. I'm saying answer for the first question. It will again saying second question. This coordination also required. First 2, 3, 4 times maybe you may face challenge. Even you can understand communication also with AI. Okay, when interviewer saying we have to listen carefully, we have to hold first. And interviewer saying something now, if he say wrong also silence only. No, you are saying wrong. I learn this is right. Don't argue with interviewers. Interview time interviewer always right. Whether he is wrong also always right. Right or not? If he is say, I mean, if he is testing your skills, then you can say. But he's strongly saying something, you don't interrupt what he's saying, you just simply listen. Ah, ego. If inter ego will hurt na, if you say 100 right answers also, I'm not convincing you. Last answer, I'm not convincing you. Still, if everything is good, even my manager 1 year back, so he's taking one interview. I'm also there in that interview. Interviewer, he's asking he asked two questions. One is for regarding something Jenkins, one is for Kubernetes. A candidate give an expression like, oh, this concept also there in Jenkins. Oh, it's weird. I don't know this concept there in the Jenkins. Immediately manager ping me. He's showing a lot of attitude. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Let me ask two questions, then we can close this interview. He's saying answers correct only. In between, he's using this kind of words. Oh, recently AWS introduced this service also. I missed this. I'm busy with these things. Something is explained, trying to say some things here. We don't want that, right? I followed till 2025 November AWS portal. Maybe December it is updated. Kind of he's trying to managing the things. Immediately my manager also, where you don't ask any questions, I'm going to close this interview. He's showing a lot of attitude. This person is not fit for our project. Simply message me. But he's saying right answers plus he's doing some additional activities. So simple. If manager ego hurt, even once you get 3, 4 years experience also, you can also behave like that. If fresher come and say something, na, definitely you can say. If it is right or wrong also, you are a fresher, right? You don't know anything. You can say like that. This is where, even not in IT, everywhere is common. This is also very important. If someone is saying something interviewer, for example, if it is wrong, okay, just simple smile, okay, no problem. I can go through it. Like this, simple, you can close the issue. Otherwise, if you stretch the issue, he will also stretch. Clear now? Thank you, guys. So that's all for today. Yeah, sometimes correct. Sometimes interviewers accept wrong answers also. This is also true. Correct. You are right, Syed. Vinay, see guys, I'm available in Telegram. These kind of questions you can call me. We can discuss one-to-one, saying multiple times, right? So here, if I say for your personal question regarding gap and all, others may take in wrong way. So we can discuss one-to-one. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.